Welcome to EEZBOOK. This guide provides step-by-step instructions for users. If you already have a login ID, simply proceed to the Go to EEZBOOK tab. To click Control Panel, go to Process. Click to Control Account. Control accounts provide a resume of all the individual accounts in the sales and purchases ledger. They give us a total, which can be presented in a business statement of financial position. They're also a means of double-checking accounts to make sure no mistakes have occurred. If the user wants to add new control account, then click to Add New tab. User will first select account name and its module, and then its sign accounts. Click to create new control account. If the user wants to edit the name and module name, then click to the Edit tab. Here user can rechange the selection name of the accounts and its detail. Click to update control account.